Science, Chapter 10, Section 10.1. Starting on page 352, Observing the Stars. So have a look at the brown-colored box at the top where it says, "Ever since people first looked up at the night sky, they have been curious about what is out there. Scientists have studied the motions of the stars and planets and have proposed theories to explain what they saw. We have gone from imagining ourselves at the center of the entire universe to seeing ourselves on a small planet orbiting an average star. Even with all that we have learned, people still want to learn more." What do you think about when you look at the night sky? Do you ever wonder what's out there? You may see the moon and some bright stars. Depending on how close you live to city lights, you may see a sky filled with thousands of stars and even the faint Milky Way. The moon is a place that people have visited and lived on for a few days at a time. We have learned through experiments and observations that the stars are like our sun, giving off light and heat, but are very far away. Thousands of years ago, what must people have thought when they looked up at the sky? Many people in early civilizations were farmers. They needed to ensure that the crops were harvested on time so that they could eat. They found that they could use the stars and other celestial bodies as a calendar. A celestial body is a natural object out in space, such as a planet, a moon, an asteroid, a comet, or a star. People made note of the movement of the celestial bodies. When certain stars were visible at certain time of the night, they knew it was time to plant their crops. When other stars were visible, they knew that it was time to harvest their crops. The sky was sometimes a source of fear. Ancient people did not understand what they were seeing. The daily rising and setting of the sun and stars was predictable and comforting to people. If something unexpected appeared in the sky, like a new comet or a solar eclipse, it was often interpreted to be a sign of bad luck or an impending major disaster. Today, we understand more of what we see in the night sky. We can observe and enjoy a bright comet or an eclipse in the same way that we observe and enjoy any beautiful natural phenomenon.